I'm so incredibly disappointed in your childhood.
Hey. Sabrina, why are you disappointed in me?
Okay, so it's raining.
Because it's raining, yeah.
It's raining, and she was like, what'd you say? Rain?
Ain't no rain hurt, ain't no rain. I don't know. Ain't no rain hurt no one?
A little rain ain't no hurt.
What? A little rain ain't hurt no one.
Yeah, that one.
That's what I said.
Yeah, okay.
By the way, my lens cap is stuck.
Whoa!
That was cool. But
a little rain
ain't hurt no one.
Ain't hurt no one. So I said, yeah, except the Wicked Witch of the West. And she asked me who the Wicked Witch of the West was. And yeah, she hasn't seen Wizard of Oz, so.
Have not. Alright, let's go check this out. We should get some bug spray.
Yes. Sabrina.
The weather was good. But, you know, when we decide to go outside, just doesn't want to cooperate.
It was like, nah.
It was like, nah. It was like, you want to go have fun outside? And it was like,
nah.
So a hop, skip, and a jump to your left. Not actually.
Go.
There you go. I am not a fan of this weather we've been getting lately. Not a fan. Wait, come back, come back. Sorry, I saw a shot.
I don't even care.
Okay. I got stuck. What? Alright, this is really slippery. Shout out Bang shoes. Do I want to move? Is that what he asked me?
Yeah.
I'm not too sure where to. I'm gonna hug the tree. Camera.
What is the end date? Oh no.
It's raining. Okay. This might be a failed adventure, but we're gonna figure it out. This is our current situation. Get over here. Okay. We're here. Currently on a tree. There used to be a treehouse here, but then that got taken away. There's Honolulu and Diamond Head over there. This tree is slippery.
Please don't fall.
Oh, I won't. Okay, not happening. This is as close as we're gonna get to the view. It's too slippery. The last time we were here, we touched a swing. We made our own swing. So for everybody asking where that swing is, it's not here anymore because we took it down. But it was on that branch over there. There you go, you're good. Just let go. Oh, I thought I lost your keys. Okay, I did it.
Yeah.
But it's twisted and I don't like that. There you go.
How are you feeling, Jess?
She did it!
Stop spinning! I made it.
How's the view for up there?
Honestly, not great.
You're hanging sideways because you're hanging on a tree branch while I climb down this slippery tree. Just out here, making the most of a cloudy day. Right, Sabrina? We're out here making the most of a cloudy day.
Gotta move slowly, take it in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for this whole week. I've been waiting for you, you're my Sunday. Come on in this house. It's gonna rain, rain down Zion. It's gonna rain. You better come on in this house. It's gonna rain, rain down Zion. It's gonna rain. I come to taste for the candy, your peppermints is the truth. I'm pessimistic on Monday. If I had tweaked and missed you, you look so good with the hat on, had to match with the shoes. Came in dressed in the satin, I came and sat in your pew. I come to Christmas for dinner, 50 rolls on my plate. Hella holes in my stocking, holding
Makes
your
it look like that's all we do with our time.
Yeah, I know. Guys, don't believe the video. We don't just do this because we do this about like not even half the time. Some skate shots.
Your songs are gonna have the the mother around here.
Move, car! How's it? Good. Good? Upset. Because how are we supposed to do 30 days of fun things when it's raining? Look. I'm very upset.
Yes.
Also, fun fact, we hung up another swing over there. For those of you wondering, it's not there because we took it down. You should have seen us struggle to... You should have seen us struggle to put it up though. We took a broken beach chair and...
Oh yeah, that was
stuff.
horrendous.
I'm gonna hold that. Stand on the arms. Use your upper body.
No, I don't have upper body. We just talked about this. This is my greatest fear right now. I'm gonna swing, I'm gonna fall, and I'm just gonna like launch myself into these plants. Are we sure about anything right now? No. I'm so scared. Oh god.
Okay, I got the chair. Just stand on the arms. Oh, you did it. Oh, yeah. Sit. Lift.
1, 2, 3.
Yes!
Oh god. Do that twisty thing.
We did it, Serena. But, what's your fun fact?
Penguins can jump as high as 6 feet.
Penguins can jump.
Yeah.
Penguins have a 6-foot vertical.
Okay, I heard on the radio. I didn't fact check it, but today's fun fact is sponsored by Honolulu radio station.
6 feet? Like just straight up 6 feet?
I don't know.
I don't think that's right. You know, we're gonna wait 10 minutes because the saying in Hawaii is you wait 10 minutes. If you don't like the weather, wait 10 minutes. So we're gonna test that theory.
Penguins can't fly, but they can jump. Seriously. They can jump over 9 feet or up to 3 meters depending on their species.
Like vertically or horizontally. See, it is true. The rain stopped. We just had to wait a few minutes. Skating with Diamond Head in the back. But we gotta run because the rain's gonna start. This car got in our shot, so we're done here. Well, that's a wrap.
Day 7.
7. But you didn't hit the camera.
Oh, I actually have to hit it? Okay, ready? Day 7.
Chase for the candy, your peppermints is the truth. I'm pessimistic on Monday. If I had tweaked and missed you, you look so good with the hat on, had to match with the shoe. Came in dressed in the satin, I came and sat in your pew. I come to Christmas for dinner, 50 rolls on.